How to change delivery time on Shopify. So here from the home page of Shopify, we want to click on settings in the bottom left corner. Now from this page, we will go to shipping and delivery. You will see this if you scroll down a little bit, expected delivery dates. Now it might look a little bit different for you, but you will either have the option to show automated delivery dates or manually show them. Basically, if you have automated delivery dates, you want to toggle this on. So just click on it here and it will show us that we actually have to install this application. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. So I've just clicked on install here and we just gotta grant it permissions. So just click on activate Shopify payments here. And then we will have to actually set up a payment method before we actually can enable the automatic delivery dates. But basically you will see it right here. You will click on it and then you will just enable this, turn it from off to on, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.